Welcome to Dev Boosters, where we explore the latest trends and advancements in software development. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the exciting world of artificial intelligence, AI, and how it's transforming the way we build and deploy software. From machine learning to natural language processing, AI is rapidly evolving and changing the way we interact with technology. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of AI and how it's changing the future of software development. Artificial intelligence is no longer just a buzzword, but a reality that is rapidly transforming the way we live and work. AI involves the development of intelligent machines that can perform tasks that typically require human intelligence, such as speech recognition, visual perception, and decision-making. In software development, AI is being used to build intelligent applications that can automate tasks, analyze data, and make predictions. In this section, we'll explore the basics of AI and its potential applications in software development. 1. Machine learning and deep learning. Machine learning is an approach to artificial intelligence that enables machines to learn from experience without being explicitly programmed. It has become increasingly popular in recent years due to its ability to analyze large datasets and identify patterns that humans may not be able to detect. Machine learning algorithms can be used for a variety of tasks, including image recognition, natural language processing, and predictive analytics. In software development, machine learning is being used to improve user experiences and make applications more efficient. For example, machine learning can be used to analyze user behavior and preferences to provide personalized recommendations or to optimize search results. Machine learning can also be used to automate tasks, such as fraud detection or predictive maintenance. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning that uses neural networks with multiple layers to analyze and learn from data. Deep learning algorithms are particularly effective at processing unstructured data, such as images and audio, and can identify patterns that are too complex for traditional machine learning algorithms. In software development, deep learning is being used for a variety of applications, including image and speech recognition, natural language processing, and autonomous vehicles. For example, deep learning algorithms are used in facial recognition software to accurately identify and verify individuals. They are also being used in chatbots to provide more natural and human-like responses. Autonomous vehicles have been around for decades, but recent advances in artificial intelligence and other technologies have enabled the development of more advanced self-driving cars and other autonomous vehicles. These vehicles rely heavily on software to control their movements, monitor their surroundings, and make decisions in real time. The role of software development in autonomous vehicles is critical. Software developers are responsible for creating the algorithms and code that enable these vehicles to operate safely and efficiently. They must also ensure that the software is able to adapt to changing conditions on the road, such as weather, traffic, and road construction. There are significant challenges associated with software development in autonomous vehicles. One of the biggest challenges is the need for reliable and accurate sensors that can detect obstacles and other vehicles on the road. Software developers must also create algorithms that can make split-second decisions to avoid accidents and keep passengers safe. Despite these challenges, there are also significant opportunities for software developers in the field of autonomous vehicles. By staying on top of the latest trends and technologies in this industry, developers can position themselves for success in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. Looking ahead, we can expect software development to play an increasingly important role in the field of autonomous vehicles. As these vehicles become more advanced and more common, the demand for skilled software developers will continue to grow. In the future, we can expect to see even more advanced AI algorithms and machine learning techniques being used in autonomous vehicles, allowing them to make more intelligent decisions and operate more safely and efficiently. 2. Natural language processing. Natural language processing is the field of study that deals with the interaction between human language and computers. It involves teaching computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language. NLP is particularly useful in applications such as chatbots, virtual assistants, and language translation software. In software development, NLP is being used to create more intuitive and natural interfaces for users. For example, chatbots that use NLP can understand and respond to user requests in a conversational manner, making them more user-friendly and effective. NLP is also being used in voice assistants, such as Siri or Alexa, to allow users to interact with their devices through natural language commands. NLP has a wide range of applications in software development, including sentiment analysis, speech recognition, language translation, and text summarization. Sentiment analysis is a technique that uses NLP to determine the tone and mood of a piece of text, which can be used to gauge customer satisfaction or track public opinion on a particular topic. Speech recognition is another important application of NLP, which is used in voice assistants and speech-to-text software. Language translation is also a popular use case for NLP, allowing users to translate written or spoken text from one language to another. 3. AI in software development. In software development, AI is being used to create smarter, more efficient applications that can learn from user behavior and improve over time. One of the most popular applications of AI in software development is machine learning, which involves training algorithms to recognize patterns and make predictions based on data. Machine learning is being used in a wide range of applications, from fraud detection to predictive maintenance to personalized marketing. Another application of AI in software development is natural language processing, or NLP, which we discussed earlier in this video. While the potential of AI in software development is immense, there are also significant challenges to overcome. One of the biggest challenges is the ethical and social implications of AI, including issues such as bias and privacy. As AI becomes more ubiquitous in our lives, it's important for software developers to address these concerns and create responsible, ethical applications. Despite these challenges, there are also significant opportunities for software developers in the field of AI. As AI becomes more mainstream, the demand for skilled developers who can build intelligent applications is only going to increase. By staying on top of the latest trends and techniques in AI, software developers can position themselves for success in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. 4. The future of AI in software development. The impact of AI on software development will be significant. One of the biggest benefits of AI is that it can help developers work more efficiently, allowing them to focus on the most important tasks while delegating routine tasks to machines. AI will also enable developers to create more intelligent applications that can learn and adapt to user behavior. This will lead to more personalized, intuitive applications that provide a better user experience. As with any new technology, there are also significant challenges associated with AI in software development. One of the biggest challenges is the need for skilled developers who can work with AI-powered tools and algorithms. Another challenge is the ethical and social implications of AI, including issues such as bias and privacy. As AI becomes more ubiquitous in our lives, it's important for software developers to address these concerns and create responsible, ethical applications. Despite these challenges, there are also significant opportunities for software developers in the field of AI. By staying on top of the latest trends and techniques in AI, developers can position themselves for success in this exciting and rapidly evolving field. 5. AI in sales. The use of AI in sales is becoming increasingly common, as businesses look for ways to leverage technology to increase efficiency and effectiveness. AI can be used to automate repetitive tasks, such as lead generation and qualification, freeing up sales teams to focus on more strategic activities. AI can also be used to analyze customer data and provide insights into buying behavior and preferences, helping businesses to personalize their sales approach and improve the customer experience. There are many benefits to using AI in the sales industry. By automating routine tasks and providing insights into customer behavior, businesses can save time and resources, while also improving the accuracy and effectiveness of their sales efforts. AI can also help businesses to identify new sales opportunities and optimize their sales strategies, resulting in increased revenue and growth. There are some challenges associated with the use of AI in sales, including the need for accurate data and the potential for bias in AI algorithms. However, these challenges can be overcome with careful planning and attention to detail. For software developers, the use of AI in sales represents a significant opportunity for growth and innovation. By developing new algorithms and technologies, developers can help businesses to achieve their sales goals and drive success in this important industry. Looking ahead, we can expect the use of AI in the sales industry to continue to grow and evolve. As businesses collect more data on their customers and the sales process, AI algorithms will become even more sophisticated, enabling businesses to optimize their sales strategies and achieve even greater success. We can also expect to see new and innovative uses of AI in sales, as businesses continue to explore the potential of this exciting technology. In this video, we've explored the exciting world of artificial intelligence and its potential applications in software development. From machine learning to natural language processing, AI is changing the way we interact with technology and shaping the future of software development. Join us for more advanced topics in technology and software development at Dev Boosters, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting content.